Hey guys, welcome back to yet another video, and although this is not a tech review channel, we are going to do a video on the new GoPro Hero. Hope y'all enjoy. So what comes in the box is these GoPro stickers, which usually come with most GoPro products, especially the cameras. This manual, as well as your care if you choose to buy it, not to, your replacement plan. One slightly rounded surface mount, USB Type-C cable, a flat mount, and of course, the GoPro Hero that you have purchased. The case of the GoPro Hero is the same as it is for the 5 and 6, as well as the mounting system is again interchangeable with all GoPro mounting systems, so that's very nice, and you can use your accessories for all your GoPros with this camera as well. For those of us who own a GoPro 5 or 6 right now, the great news about the Hero is that it does use the same exact batteries as the 5 and 6, which means we can interchange them, things of that nature, and that's a very nice touch, and I'm happy GoPro decided not to change that. Battery door is a little difficult to open at first, but I think it will loosen up a little bit over time, however, still be waterproof. We're going to insert the battery here, slides right in. Of course, your SD card slot is in there as well if you used the GoPros before. Mode button on this side. On this other side we have an HDMI, more micro HDMI, video outlet, as well as your charging port if we can get it open. This door will also come off and it is detachable if you decide that you want to go ahead and have it charging while filming, anything of that nature, or just have the door off while you're uploading the videos straight from your GoPro to your computer. Now, one of the best maintained features is the touchscreen on the back of your GoPro. One thing to note is that you can only shoot in a wide field of view as most, and it does not allow you to have the super view. However, I find the wide view to be the most attractive and super view to be a little bit broader than my personal preference. 30 frames per second is what I shoot in 1080p, however this camera will shoot up to 60 frames per second, as well as you do have the option of going to 1440. However, I do believe for most applications people will stick with the 1080. When you swipe to the right, you do have video stabilization, as well as auto low light, which are very nice features to have on a camera this small. When you swipe to the left, you have the option to connect to a GoPro app and to use Quick Stories, which automatically uploads videos from your camera straight to your phone. That being said, you can still view the videos and everything of that nature on the camera on the go, which is very nice. Going to the features, you still have voice controls, you have to connect to the app, preferences, which will allow you to do the camera tours, GoPro updates, everything of that nature, as well as the beep volume, LEDs, which is a very big thing, especially for outdoorsmen, and the auto off features and the brightness levels. Everything that basically is on the 5's features will be on this camera as well. Moving to the front of the camera, I am happy to report that it still does have the 3 mic system, which may not produce the best video quality, but for most users it is quite adequate. However, you cannot add an external mic. Even with the adapter on this camera, you will have to upgrade to the 5 or 6 for that particular feature. But it still does come with the safety lens over the actual camera lens, so if you were to break the lens, it would most likely be this frontal piece, which can be replaced for $20 to $30. Now, this camera does have a lot of great features that come from the 5 and 6, however, it really doesn't matter unless it performs. So in order to test it, we're going to take the GoPro Hero and the Hero 5, put them at the same exact settings, and do a side-by-side video comparison. I am filming the conclusion with the GoPro Hero, and I have to say, for $200, this camera cannot be beat. We get the best features out of the 5 and 6, basically, that we really wanted into a $200 camera. In my opinion, the best features include the 2-inch touch display on the back, as well as waterproofness up to 33 feet without a diving house, and the 3-mic system, which produces the best audio quality for a GoPro overall without an output mic. This camera is going to do very well for GoPro in my opinion, and it's getting back into the roots of a camera people can just carry in a bag, take it out when they want to, take pictures, videos on the go, and you don't have to worry about losing a $400 camera on vacation or something of that nature. On top of that, something I really enjoyed today is when I was working with the 5, I had so many different options as far as shooting goes, and with the simplistic options you have with the Hero, you just simply take it out of your bag, you only have a few options, set those, and you're good to go. That's it. And that's something I really did enjoy using as far as when I was on the boat in another video that will be coming up. Overall, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, subscribe. That would really help me out. And if you have any questions on the GoPro Hero, please let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.